evening, Toastmasters and guests and friends. My name is Kaoru Sakamato. Today I will talk something about dehydration. But I have learned indeed my couple of months that have I feel that changed my life. This is about dehydration, where this is about dehydration. This is about dehydration, especially in warm climate such as Singapore. From my speech, you may see people who are healthy and active, such as you and me, may be affected by dehydration without realizing it. Okay, let me share some of my story with you. This experience is kind of like human experiments where I was the test subject. Okay, let me share my first experience to you. So shortly after moving to Singapore, I started to suffer from headache occasionally. I never experienced that at all before in Japan. So I thought it was simply because of sun or hot weather. But now I realize it was probably closely related to dehydration. Why do I think that it's true? When we don't take enough water, our broth becomes thicker and sticky, and blood circulation is reduced. As a result, not enough oxygen in the blood goes to the brain. Then it may cause headache. Yeah, that's interesting. So, blood can also carry wasted material outside the body. So, we will feel tired more easily if these materials stay inside body longer. So, it is important for us to drink enough water in order to make our blood circulation smooth. That was my discovery. But at the time, I didn't take any action. But soon, I realized I've been dehydrated for a long time in my second experience. So here is my second experience. I stayed in Sydney for 3 weeks as a business trip. Yeah. So my life in Singapore was very different from one in Singapore. First of all, Sydney was winter and cold and dry, so I didn't sweat at all. I also had a glass of water every morning, so I did 2 different things. So around 10 days after spending time in Sydney, I started to realize 2 major changes in my body. First, I was losing this hair. That's true. I was losing this hair while taking a shower. And second, my level of concentration started to get noticeably better. Both are a serious issue to me, and especially after coming to Singapore. I didn't know what happened on me, because these are important. But I thought maybe because of I have stress, or maybe major change in environment from Japan to Singapore. I used to be in Japan. So what happened on me, and with hair, 20% of it is water. So if we have dehydration, so our roots of our hair dry out and start to fall out more easily. So as for brain work, there are statistics that dehydration may cause problem of cognitive function or logical thinking or memory, because almost 80% of brain is water. There is another interesting research is that since brain has highest priority for using water from the body, if you are dehydrated, symptom will appear in another part of your body first. So if your skin or eye start to get dry, or your hair start to fall out, it may be an early sign before you feel in your mind. Okay? Then how we can help ourselves drink more water? So key is drink before you feel like it. So one interesting popular trend in Japan is use sayu diet. So sayu means boiled water. So we boil water and then cool down to around 50 degrees and drink big cup of water every morning. And warm water also help basal metabolic rate or body circulation. So it may help you burn your fat while drinking water. Okay. In conclusion, from my story or lesson, which message I like for you to remember? Let me say this. Although it is a common sense that drinking water is very important, we all understand that, but it's very easy for busy people to forget to drink enough every day. So instead of waiting for your body to remind you, please be proactive and drink enough water before you feel like it. And even though when you are not so thirsty, go ahead and drink a lot of water and see if you can discover even more positive changes in your